So now once the brick masonry work is done, now next thing that you do is the plastering work. Plastering work for the ground floor, for the first floor. Okay, so inside the brick masonry work, I will add, so that it's easy to track, I'll add other task, and that task is conduit placement. So you have to put the conduits for the electrical work, and you have to do this. So conduit placement, let's say it takes 7 days, and you have to finish ground floor brick work and you do the conduit placement. Okay, so I'll just take roughly here. So the relationship is with the 36 finish to start minus 3 days, and for the first floor also you have to do the conduit placement. Okay, so plastering work, ground floor and the first floor, ground floor and the first floor. So I'll just outdent this, and a number of days for the ground floor, let's say it will take 12 days, and for the first floor also it will take 12 days, and the relationship is okay. So the plastering work is associated with the brick masonry work. So what you do is that you first finish the brick masonry work, then only you can start the plastering work. So how normally it happens is that you do the brick masonry work, and then let's say that you finish a certain part in 5 days. Okay, so you do the brick masonry work for 5 days, and after that what you do, you have to wait for at least a week, because you have to do the curing of the brick wall. If you do not do the curing of the brick wall, then what will happen is that the brick will absorb the moisture content from the plaster, and thereby the plaster will not be strong enough, because the moisture that is required for the hydration of the cement, that has all been taken by the brick masonry bricks. Okay, so this is how we plan. So the brick masonry takes 30 days, but let's say in 5 days we finish certain part of the work, and five days we start the curing, and let's say we cure for the 7 days. That is why 7 plus 5, that is 12 days. So I'll form one relationship over here, and that is I'll use the start to start relationship. So 36 start to start, 36 start to start, which means that I can do both the things together, but I have to wait for 12 days for the curing. Okay, and you can see that there is the relationship, or you can also do the finish to start relationship. It's up to you over here. So I just wanted to show this sort of relationship as well. So 37 start to start plus I'll do the 12 days. Okay, now we have done. Here you have to put the comma as well, but now I think you can take care of those things.